From the home screen, the dashboard, head over to Account. Here you can see the personal social media platforms you can connect. Let's start with LinkedIn. You'll need your own LinkedIn login details for this. Next, connect Facebook using your personal account. You'll log in with your Facebook and Instagram details, and for verification you may also need WhatsApp. This is necessary because the platforms always want to confirm they're dealing with a real person. Only then, if you have the right permissions, can you connect the business accounts. Tick all the boxes you see to grant access. Then move on to Instagram and tick every box there too, including the ones for the business account. Now we're going to connect the business accounts. Go to Account, then select Business Accounts on social media. Tap the Add Business Page button. There you'll find all the platforms you've been granted access to. Connect the business page you want to use for sharing posts. If you connect the Facebook page, Instagram gets linked automatically. You don't need to do that separately. Do the same for LinkedIn. You can now share posts on your business page. You'll get a push notification or email whenever a post is ready to go. If you have the right permissions, you can still edit the text. Then you can either share the post straight away or schedule it. Your post has now been shared on your business page. Green ticks mean a post has been shared successfully. If you see a red cross, you'll need to reconnect your accounts. To do that, first disconnect the business pages, then reconnect your personal pages, and finally add the business pages again. This is because social media networks occasionally ask you to relink for security reasons.